Okay, today we'll start new chapter in 2B, sir. System of circles. Okay, this is also very simple chapter. Old weightage ప్రకారం అవుతుంది ఇందులో ఒక 4 + 2 మార్క్స్ వస్తాయి సార్. Okay, so question paper pattern will go only in the month of December, so we'll know. But generally the weightage is 4 + 2. Circles లో 22 marks are దీంట్లో 6 marks. If you learn these two chapters, you can clear your examination. Okay, now here, what is the meaning of this? If two circles are there, x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f5 plus c is equal to 0. Next one is x square plus y square plus 2g dash x plus 2f dash y plus c dash. If they intersect, these two circles intersect, then the angle is here. This is a point of intersection. Can observe cheyandi, idi angle sir. This is angle. This angle theta is given by c plus c dash minus 2 into g dash minus 2 into f dash by 2 into r1 into r2. What is r1? Radius of the first circle. R2 is the radius of second circle. Okay, then condition for orthogonal. Once we say angle, angle can be 90. Here orthogonal antar sir. Here you will not say perpendicular. Circles cannot be perpendicular. Angle between them at the point of intersection is 90. Then what is the condition? C plus c dash is equal to 2g into g dash plus 2f into f dash. ఓకే, ఈ రెండు ఫార్ములాసే ఉంటాయి సార్ దీంట్లో. యాంగిల్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయడం, ఆర్థోగోనల్ కండిషన్. ఓకే, లెట్ us see some problems based on this. Okay, find the angle between the circles. Circles. First bit, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 14y plus 28 is equal to 0. Next one, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, first you have to find out 2g 4, 2f is equal to minus 14, c is equal to 28. And what is the g value? 2. What is the f value? Minus 7. And what is the radius r1? Root of minus c. 4 plus 49 minus 28. So 53 minus 28 is 25, so 5. So we got the r1 c1. Next one, for circles, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 5 is equal to 0. 2g dash is equal to 4, 2f dash is equal to 0, c dash is equal to minus 5. So g dash is equal to 2, f dash is equal to 0, right? Then what is the r2? Root of g dash square f dash square minus c dash. G dash square means 4, 0, minus of minus plus 5. So how much we get? C to r2 is equal to, now formula, cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2 into gg dash minus 2ff dash by 2 into r1 r2 cos theta. C value enta sir? What is the C value? 28 minus 5 because C dash minus 2 into G value 2, G dash 2 minus 2 into F value minus 7, F dash is 0 by 2 into, what is the formula? 2 into R1 R2. What is R1? 5 and what is R2? 3. So this becomes 28 minus 5 minus 8 minus 0 by 30. So 20, 25. Okay. What is the formula? 2 into R1 R2. So 28 minus 5 minus 8. So 28 15, sorry. This is 15 by 30 because 28 minus 5, 23 minus 8 is 15. 15 by 30 is cos theta, which is 1 by 2. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degrees. Okay, here formula application. Okay, note down this. Again, angle between the circles. What are the circles? X square plus y square plus 6x minus 10y minus 135 is equal to 0. Next one, x square plus y square minus 4x plus 14y minus 116 is equal to 0. Look at this problem, sir. Now, what is the 2g value? 6. 2f is equal to minus 10. C is equal to minus 135. G value 3. F value minus 5. What is the R1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. C square means 9 plus 25 plus 135. How much we get? 169, which is 13. Right? Next. 2g dash minus 4, 2f dash 14, c dash 116. What is g dash? Minus 2. F dash 7. What is R2? Root of g dash square, f dash square, c dash. So 4 plus 49 plus 116. So 13. Because this also will become 169, 13. R2 is equal to 13. Therefore, cos theta formula I am writing c plus c dash minus 2g dash minus 2f dash by c, 2 into R1, R2. Now substitute the values. C value is what, sir? Minus 135. C dash minus 116. Minus 2 into G value 3. G dash anta, sir? Minus 2. Minus 2 into G dash F is minus 5. F dash is 7 by 2 into 13 into 13. Now observe this problem, sir. Now this will be minus 135 minus 116 plus 12 plus 70 by 2 into 13 into 13. Okay. Now this becomes what, sir? Minus 251 and this is plus 82 by 2 into 13 into 13, 169. Therefore, look at here, cos theta is equal to, this will be minus 169 by 2 into 169. How much we get? Minus 1 by 2. So, cos theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here observe, whenever we write angles, we put a modulus. But for circles, we never put a modulus. This is very, very important. Don't put a modulus here, sir. You have to leave it as this. Now, what is the angle we got? Now, what is the value we got? Minus 1 by 2. Whenever cos theta is a negative, if it is k, then theta is equal to pi minus cos inverse of k. What is the rule? Cos theta is equal to minus k, theta is equal to pi minus cos inverse k. So, here it is there minus sign, pi minus cos inverse 1 by 2, which is nothing but pi minus pi by 3. Why? Because cos 60 is 1 by 2, so cos pi by 3 it becomes, so pi by 3 means what will happen? 2 pi by 3. So, here this problem is important. Reason is never we put modulus. Okay, please note down. Next, find the angle between the circles. X square plus y square is equal to a square. Then x square plus y square is equal to ax plus ay. C bit. Solution. First circle rewrite. Minus a square is equal to 0. So what is the 2g value? 0. 2f value 0. C is minus a square. So what is g? 0. F is 0. And what is R1? Root of g square plus f square minus c. So 0 plus a square, which is nothing but a. Right? Next, observe here, second circle. 0. Okay. Now what is 2g dash? Minus a. 2f dash minus a. So g dash is minus a by 2. What is f dash? Minus a by 2. What is R2? Root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Here c dash is 0. So R2 is equal to root of g dash square means what, sir? A square by 4 plus a square by 4. 2a square by 4 under root, which will give you a square by 2 under root. Will give you R2 is equal to a by root 2. What R2 value? Now cos theta formula. Cos theta is equal to c plus c dash 2 into g minus g dash ff dash by 2 into R1 R2. What is c value? Minus a square. right here minus a square. What is c dash? 0. 2 into g value 0, g dash is minus a by 2, minus 2 into 0 into minus a by 2 by 2 into r1. What is r1? A. And what is r2? A by root 2. Right? So this becomes minus a square. All these are become 0. Okay. Then by this will get cancelled, root 2 a square. Observe here, root 2 will get cancelled with 2, root 2 a square by a square, that is minus 1 by root 2. So cos theta is equal to what, sir? Minus 1 by root 2. Again what we got? Cos theta is equal to, again what I said, if cos theta is equal to minus k, then theta is equal to pi minus cos inverse k, which is nothing but pi minus pi by 4, which is 3 pi by 4. Remember these two powers. Angles will come more than 90. I told you it is not modulus, so you have to remember these two powers. Okay, let us see next model. Next, show that the circles will intersect orthogonally. Circles will intersect orthogonally. Okay, first bit, x square plus y square plus 4x minus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y plus 11 is equal to 0. Right? What is the orthogonal condition? Orthogonal condition is c plus c dash is equal to 2gg dash plus 2ff dash. Okay, what is the orthogonal condition? C plus c dash is equal to. So for first circle, what is 2g? 4. 2f minus 2. And c is equal to minus 11. So what is the g value? 2. What is the g dash? F is what, sir? Minus 1. And 2g dash is equal to minus 4, 2f dash is equal to minus 8, c dash is equal to 11. What is g dash? Minus 2. What is f dash? Minus 4. Now we will consider LHS. What is LHS? C plus c dash. C is minus 11, c dash is 11. How much we get? 0. RHS 2 into g. Here 2 into g. G value is what, sir? 2. Into g dash minus 2 plus 2 into f is minus 1 minus 4. This is minus 8 plus 8, 0. So LHS is equal to RHS. Therefore orthogonal. So formula application, sir. Please note on this. Next, one more bit. X square plus y square minus 2x plus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 3x plus 4y plus 1 is equal to 0. Again is asked to prove orthogonally. So first 2g minus 2, 2f is 4, c is equal to 4. So what is g value? Minus 1. What is the f value? 2. Right? Next 2g dash is equal to 3, 2f dash is equal to 4, c dash is equal to 1. What is g dash? 3 by 2. And f dash 2. Right? We got g value. Now LHS. What is LHS? C plus c dash 4 plus 1 5. RHS 2gg dash plus 2ff dash. 2 into g value minus 1. G dash is 3 by 2 plus 2 into f 2 into 2. So this 2 and 2 will get cancelled. Minus 3, 8. How much we get? 5. LHS is equal to RHS. So orthogonal. Simple concept. Okay. Note down this. Next. What is the next one? If the circles will intersect, if the circles intersect orthogonally, find the k value. Now, first bit. What is the first bit? x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 12 is equal to 0. Second one is what, sir? X square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y plus k is equal to 0. Again, orthogonal. What is the orthogonal condition? C plus C dash ff dash. So, what is 2g minus 6, 2f minus 8, c is equal to 12, minus 3, f is minus 4. Okay, next second circle, 2g dash is equal to minus 4, 2f dash is equal to 6, c dash is equal to k, g dash is equal to minus 2, f dash is equal to 3. Therefore, what is the LHS? C plus C dash. C is what, sir? 12. C dash is K. What is the RHS? 2GG dash plus 2FF dash. 2 into what is G value? Minus 3. G dash minus 2. Right? Plus 2 into F is what, sir? Minus 4. F dash 3. So this becomes 612. Minus 24 is minus 12. So 6 into 2, 12. So minus 24. I mean 12 minus 24 minus 12. Therefore, since he has given LHS should be equal to 12 plus 12, k is equal to minus 12, k is equal to minus 24. Given orthogonal. So LHS should be equal to RHS. So what is the k value we get? Minus 24. So what we have done? Same concept we have to equate now. Note down this. Next one. Second bit. X square plus y square minus 5x minus 14y minus 34 is equal to 0. Next one. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus k is equal to 0. Again, is asked to find the k value. So, 2g is equal to minus 5, 2f is equal to minus 14, c is equal to minus 34. What is g value? Minus 5 by 2. What is the f value? Minus 7. Okay, 2g dash 2. 2f dash is equal to 4, c dash is equal to k, right? So, g dash is equal to 1, f dash is equal to 2. Therefore, LHS is c plus c dash. What is c value? Minus 34. C dash is k. What is the RHS? F dash. So 2 into g value. What is g value? Minus 5 by 2 into g dash 1 plus 2 into f is what, sir? Minus 7. F dash is 2. So this 2 will get cancelled. Minus 5 minus 28. So minus 33. Given orthogonal. So c plus c dash is equal to LHS is equal to RHS. What is LHS we got? Minus 34 plus k. What is RHS? Minus 33. So k is equal to minus 33 plus 34 is equal to 1. K value is how much, sir? 1. Okay, so minus 34 plus k. Here 5 will get cancelled. Minus 5. Here minus 7 into 2. Look at here, any mistake is there, check up, everything is right. So what will happen here? Plus only this g dash is plus, ff dash is also plus. So what will happen? Minus 33. So minus 34 plus k is equal to minus 33, k is, okay. So here we are finding k value, okay. Now we will see if the circles intersect at angle 45 degrees, find the value of k. Now here what is the angle he has given? 45. So x square, 2g is equal to what, sir? Minus 12. 2f is equal to minus 6, c is equal to 41. So g is equal to minus 6, f is equal to minus 3. 2g dash is equal to k for the second circle, sir. 2g dash is equal to k, g dash is equal to k by 2, f dash is equal to 3. Then formula cos theta is equal to c plus c dash minus 2gg dash minus 2ff dash. So if you put 36, g square is 36, f square is 9 minus 41, so 4. Now look at here, g dash square, what is g dash square? K square by 4. Then f dash square is 9. And what is c dash? Minus 51, so minus 59. So minus or minus become plus. So k square by 4 plus 68. Okay, we get k square by 4 plus 68. Now what is the angle given? Theta is equal to 45 degrees. Therefore, cos 45 is equal to c plus c dash. What is c, sir? 41 minus c dash is minus 59 plus 2 minus 2 into g. What is g value, sir? Minus 6. G dash is k by 2 minus 2 into what is f, sir? What is f dash? F dash is what, sir? Minus 3 and f dash is 3 by 2 into r1. R1 is 2 into r2 is k square by 4 plus 68. So cos 45 is 1 by root 2 is equal to, this will be minus 18, 2 will get cancelled, plus 6k plus 18 by 2 2s are 4. Inside LCM if I take 4 k square plus 32 3 24 272, right? So plus 18 minus 18 will get cancelled. 1 by root 2 is equal to 6k by, this is square root of 4 is 2, sir. 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So k square plus 272. So what we have done, we have substituted and we have now square. This will be cross multiplication. So 2 into root of k square plus 272 is equal to 6 root 2 k. Square both the sides. So 4 into k square plus 272 is equal to will be 36 into 2 72 k square. What I have done? 6 square is 36 into 2. Open the bracket, or 4 will get cancelled 18 times. K square plus 272 is equal to 18 k square. Bring the k square this side. 272 is equal to 17 k square. Therefore, k square is equal to 272 by 17. So this will be k square is equal to 16. If you divide by 17, 1s are 17, 10, 2, 6 are 102. So 16. K is equal to what? Plus or minus 4. So here the simplification part. Sometimes it is given for 4 marks. There is a weightage of 4 marks. So this can be given for 4 marks. Here everything you have to substitute, but here simplification 45 is 1 by root 2 cross multiplication. Because simplification చూసుకోండి సార్ ఇక్కడ. So square root of 4 is 2. Here square root is there. So this become 2. 2 will get cancelled with 4 2 times. 2 into k square plus 272. Cross multiplication and simplification. Okay. Please remember this. Okay. Next. Now these are about angles and finding the k value. Now from here generally this k value finding 45 degrees will be given for 4 marks. Otherwise the models which I am discussing that will be given. So in this all these problems are different models you have to understand here. Find the equation of circle passing from point of intersection of circles x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 is equal to 0 and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0 and from the point 1 comma 2. Find the equation of the circle passing from the point of intersection of the circles and the point, means these two circles will intersect, sir. Okay, and you have to find the circle which passes from the intersection of these two circles and the point. means this is our required circle. So this circle which is required will be passing from the intersection of these two circles and also point. So this is what he has given. Solution is this, sir. Required circle is S plus lambda S dash is equal to 0. What is the formula? S plus lambda S dash. So first one is called S, next one is called S dash. Means what, sir? X square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 plus lambda into what is S dash? X square plus y square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Means simply you write both the circles with lambda condition. Now how to get the lambda? Point is given 1 comma 2 on it. Means what? X is replaced by 1. 1 plus 4 minus 8 minus 12 plus 21 plus lambda into x square plus y square. So 1 plus 4 minus 2 minus 15 is equal to 0. So this becomes 25, 26. 26 means 6. 20 will come here, 26 will come. 25, 26 minus 6, 26 lambda into this will be minus 12 is equal to 0. 6 minus 12 lambda is equal to 0. 6 is equal to 12 lambda. Lambda is equal to 1 by 2. Therefore, required circle is x square plus y square. Here to put here. Okay, x square, put in 1. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 plus lambda value. Now we got lambda value plus 1 by 2 into x square plus y square minus 2x minus 15 is equal to 0. Multiply with 2x square plus 2y square minus 16x minus 12y plus 42 plus open the bracket x square plus y square minus 15 is equal to 0. Now final simplification. 2x square plus x square 3x square plus 3y square. Then minus 18x minus 2x minus 18x minus 12y. Then 42 minus 15 plus 27. We cancel with the 3 table. 0. Right? This is a required circle. Now how to verify? What is the point he has given? 1 comma 2. So let us check up. You don't need to do in the examination, sir. So 14 0. So your answer is right. Okay, right? These are how to find the angle. Once the angle is given, how to find the k value, orthogonal condition, and these models. Now there are so many problems will come on this model. Based on this only your examination question will come. We'll continue next class.